Hi everyone, welcome to See and Learn. My name is Aisha and today we are going to discuss about keywords in C programming language. So what is meant by keyword, or the definition of keyword is keywords are reserved words in C. Keywords cannot be used for naming variables. If we are comparing the C programming language with any communication language, we can compare the keywords. Like when you are using some words for naming the person or a place, you will never use the words like so for example, in English language there are some words upward, downward, forward, backward, or up, down, above. So these type of words cannot be used for naming a person or for naming a place, because these are the keywords of English language. Like that, Hindi language and Marathi language is also having some words like aage, piche, upar, niche. These words were never used for naming the person. Such words are called as the reserved words. C programming language is having 32 keywords. These keywords cannot be used for naming the variables. Sometimes we have to name the function and array name. There also you can't use the keywords. So this table shows the 32 keywords: auto, break, case, character. All these 32 keywords have different uses. So we will see the uses of these keywords. Auto, signed, const, extern, register and unsigned are the keywords. These keywords are used when you want to define a variable. Which type of variable is defined by these keywords? The next is break. This break keyword is used in do, while or for loop, or in switch case statement. For breaking the case or for breaking the loop, you can use the break keyword. If, else, switch, case, default, these are some keywords that are used in decision making statements or branching statements in if statements, if else, or switch case statement. Then integer, float, character, double and long, these are used to specify the data types. These are the data types are used for the variable declaration, and this data type is specified when you declare the variable. Then for, while and do. There are 3 loops in C language. We will see these three loops contains these words for, while and do. Void. Void is also a return type, so it is also a keyword. Go to. Go to is used in jumping statement. When we will see programming structures, we will see the jumping statements go to. There we need this keyword go to with a label. Then return statement. This keyword is used for returning a value. Continue statement. This is also one type of statement. It is generally used in looping. When compiler encounters this statement, it performs the next iteration of the loop, skipping rest of the statements of the current iteration. When you want to continue the loop is decided with the help of this continue statement, and this continue keyword is used inside the loop. And enum. Enum is a user defined data type, and it is used for declaring the set of constants. So these are all the uses of keywords. So one more time we will take the recap. Keywords are the reserved words in C language. Keywords cannot be used for naming the variables in C, and there are 32 keywords in C programming language. I think you understand what is meant by keyword and what is the use of keyword. So that's it for today. Hope you would like the video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Click the bell icon for more updates. See you soon in the next video. Until then, stay tuned, stay blessed.